Asuntoskeyhtiö Kuusaan Penninki Maunukselantie 11 Kuusankoski Kouvola staircase A.
Yes. 4 persons or 320 kilograms. Amazing Kone elevator.
Yeah.
It's fast.
Yeah, and it's fast.
And the door's open.
And today it's the 28th of August 2019. It has 7 floors, built in 1972, H2 8261. Kone Osakeyhtiö, it's more rare. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2020, turning 50 years old in 2022.
And this is before 1974, so they have rectangular alignment.
Yeah.
Stop button.
They have, yeah. But also I've seen it, I've filmed it in Garden Spa Hotel. It has the automatic doors with these stop and alarm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and 1974 it is, so it was so late.
There's actually no reason to replace this.
No, it's in good shape.
Yeah, and it's fast enough.
Yeah, of course.
It's faster than the new elevators.
Yeah.
Of course it is.
Because you don't have to wait for the slow automatic doors.
Yeah.
Inspektiippaa, kiva inspektaa. Mentiin autossa on no descriptis.
And nice that you can see out of the window in the elevator.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course it's nice.
From the boostausikkuna.
Oh, true. Nice joke. We've been very successful in Kuusankoski today.
Yeah.
I think we have been like almost, or we're gonna get into almost everything that there is here.
Maybe hour or half an hour more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
We have to go.
in Kymmilin or whatever it is. I don't remember the place. The name of the place. But an old
What kind of living?
so there are
That's it.